How to transfer photos from Google Photos back to your phone's gallery. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos from Google Photos back to your phone's gallery on both Android and iPhone. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, scroll through your photos and find the ones you want to move back to your device gallery. These could be pictures, screenshots, or any other images you've backed up to Google Photos. Now, long press on a photo to select it. If you want to transfer more than one photo, just keep tapping to select multiple images. After selecting them, you'll see a few options appear on the screen. Look for the option that says Save to Device and tap on it. As soon as you do that, Google Photos will download those images and save them directly to your phone's gallery. You can now open your regular Photos or Gallery app and you'll see the photos there. And that's it. That's how you can easily move photos from Google Photos back to your phone's gallery. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and simple tutorials.